because I work with records a lot, I can say to people, look, this conversation's off the record, we never spoke, we never met. There are some people who literally give me code names because they don't want me to know who they are. But if you can give people that comfort level, and as long as, you know, they're talking, because you need to talk to people who are inside, who can tell you what's going on, and then you can figure out what records you need to ask for to prove what they're saying. And it does become a very intimate relationship, which is why it's so tricky. You know, they call you in the middle of the night, and they're saying, yeah, Sandra, you know, blah, 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 you know, 2 o'clock in the morning, whatever. And so a trust really does develop. The tricky part, though, is you can get lied to by sources. You can get taken in, and I've been fooled. But the good thing about life is that I always feel that I learn more from my mistakes than I do from my successes. And so I treasure every mistake, as painful as they are, because I hope I don't make them again.